Welcome back. I apologize for the poor video quality, but I'd like to take up a bit of a beer field trip. This is my private reserve, otherwise known as my parents' crawl space. Down here we've got 3-year-old barley wines, we've got sours, we've got kegs, we've got bottles. If you're brewing 10 gallons of beer, and I hope you are at this point, you're probably finding you got a lot of it. So what are you going to do? Obviously the refrigerator is an obvious choice, but at a certain point you reach critical mass. You can put your beer in a closet, and that's okay. But in often overlooked places, say a basement or a crawl space or even a root cellar. If you've got water pipes under here, chances are you're not going to freeze. This particular crawl space provides us with 40 degrees Fahrenheit in the wintertime and 55 in the summertime. If you're crafty and you want to kind of eliminate an extra fridge, you can serve down here, and there's just a special provision that you do need to make. For example, in the wintertime, at 40 degrees Fahrenheit, there's less line resistance, so you might use a 6-foot line. If you wanted to serve in the summertime at 55 degrees, you'd have to maybe lengthen your line to 8 or 9 feet. Not a big deal, but it's a simple way to get around a fridge. So maybe 2 times a week you come down here with a growler, you fill it up, you take it back and you put it in your fridge, and you can avoid the use of a second refrigerator and kind of live the off-grid lifestyle.